Hey everyone, Terry Cutler. And if you remember a couple of weeks ago, I put together a little cover contest for my book. And all your inputs was very, very valuable. We got hundreds of comments and feedbacks and thousands of views. And then about a week later, I showed you that the manuscript was done. And then following that, I showed you a video where what the sample book would look like. And now I'm pleased to announce that I've just received the official books. And this is the official unboxing of the book. This will be the first time I'm going to see this. So I'm super excited. Let's get to it. So let's see what we got here. Whoa, my baby has arrived. Ta-da! It's all laminated and in color. I believe there's some color in here. Hopefully there's color. We got our color stuff, which is the educational piece for the parents. You'll love that. And a lot of care and help went into this book, okay? So I want to just quickly go over some of the acknowledgements I put in this book. And the first one, obviously, I'd like to acknowledge my wife and my kids. My wife, because, without her, this book may not have been done, because, she took care of the family, took care of me, making sure everything's fine, and making sure I'm out of her way, right? So I think that was part of the plan. Make sure, yeah, honey, go work on your book, get out of my hair. So I also want to give a big thank you to Laura Chappell. Laura has been a big inspiration in my life, because when I went to see her in Utah back in 2004, when she was doing internet safety for kids, that's what actually ignited the fire for me to give back to that part of the community and help kids stay safe online. I also want to thank Pete Herzog. So Pete is a pioneer in our cybersecurity industry. He's helped with a lot of frameworks to help us do our cybersecurity testing. So he actually wrote the foreword to the book, and I also gave him an acknowledgement in here. Also thanks to my buddy Loui, Kasimatis, who provided me some very valuable input throughout the year. So he's a sales specialist, and he's helped me distill my message to even more layman's terms so that everybody can understand and get them passionate about this industry. I also want to thank Dunya, who's an editor for Smiling Eyes Press, who really helped bring this book to life. I mean, I thought my writing was okay, but when she came in and did all the editing and stuff, it really, she did so much really great work in this book. And finally, I want to give a thanks to Richard Tardif, who's the CEO of Smiling Eyes Press. In fact, he's actually on his way over. We're going to do a quick video about how the book came to life, and for some of you that are actually thinking about writing your own books, what some of the processes, what some of the pitfalls and things to look out for. So a big thank you to everybody. My baby's here, and I'll catch you in the next video.